Hey everyone, welcome back to our vlog channel. I'm sitting here with...
Who am I today?
I don't know. I was trying to come up with a name and I can never think of a good one. We have Dustin. We have Love of My Life.
Dustin Dialysis.
Dustbin Dialysis.
That's it.
The names just go on and on. I mean, there's a few that people say about me, but I can't say them on YouTube because of the demonetization. I'm excited for today's video.
Yeah.
I've been sitting on this video for a while now because I'm gonna admit, I was enjoying the devil's lettuce one night and I saw that Target released their whole entire Levi's collection. It was a collaboration. It's supposed to be limited edition, but you know how companies are with limited edition.
He had to have it. And not just a piece, all of it.
No, not all of it. I couldn't get all of it because it was sold out a bunch of places. This was not just things being shipped to us. I had to drive around Central Florida and actually pick things up at the store. Some of the stuff is large, but before I get into that, I want to show you guys this candle. Right here, if you guys can see. Oh, no, you guys can't even see what the box looks like from that way. This is called the 420 candle. It's from Homesick. This is from Instagram. We have not opened this up, but I'm very excited.
If you guys see me looking down, it's because I'm waiting on a very important phone call.
Yeah, so he might just disappear in a moment from the video, but this is what the candle looks like. Cute! This is actually really cute. Like a container. It's like a can almost that you would drink out of.
It's shaped like a can.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's nice.
So now, no candle is actually going to be able to smell like cannabis 100%, at least that I have found. So if you have found one out there, let me know. But this, what are the notes? What are the notes?
It says top notes: bergamot, cannabis; mid notes: patchouli, cedarwood; base notes: sandalwood and musk.
It smells good.
It does.
It smells good. However, I think that I've smelled something like this before. From somewhere, which is not that difficult to do in the candle world because there's only so many different scents that you can put
This
to a candle.
smells really nice.
It smells nice.
I like the aesthetic a lot.
I do like the aesthetic. I believe that this candle was about $38. I want to say, I should have looked the price up before we sat down, but the back of the box says, long nights filled with friends and laughter, outdoor concerts drifting to the tune of your favorite album.
I like it. You know what?
Light it up and don't worry about a thing.
This smells like springtime.
Spring? You got spring from it?
Not like floral spring, but like, you know, that scent when you go outside and it's starting to get warm out. It's kind of like that.
It does smell really good. I was looking on the bottom to see if it told us
it's
the burn time.
It's not very overpowering either. It's very subtle.
And it'll look cute sitting somewhere.
Oh,
like
yeah.
on a coffee table, on a shelf. It'll look cute. I think it's a...
Yeah, that vessel's
nice.
really nice.
I really do. And it's thick. Thick glass. Thick.
Is it? I mean,
That's
yeah,
thick. That's a good glass.
I like it.
That's a good glass.
It's very simplistic.
We'll let you guys know over on Twitter if this candle is good. I don't see anything about the burn time, so we'll keep you posted on that. But let's talk about
the Levi's.
The Levi's. I'm going to start with just the things that I have in front of me, the simple things, because why did I need these? This is the glass tumbler. I did think that it was going to be a lot bigger. This is glass. This is plastic. Straw is plastic as well. And this was $8.
That's not bad. Closer
and show this. I just thought it was so cute. Just to like, while you're editing a video, just be sipping like, delicious. So $8, that's not bad.
This, he had to get the dog something because they had dog bowls. And look.
That's so cute. Because they eat out of the same bowl. They enjoy using the same bowl with each other. So this one is a bigger one. It is this kind of like, it's kind of like a scratchy, like...
But it's kind of like, you know how like there's brown parts on jeans? It's kind of like that whole theme. Like,
and then the blue on the inside I think is really pretty.
Yeah, I really like the little dog bone on the front.
They had dishes, like large, like dinner-sized dishes that matched this, not with the brown, but with the blue, and I couldn't get them. They were sold out. So this was $8 as well. Very affordable. Things coming from Target.
While you're doing that, I have to respond to something. So.
And then I also got this right here. Now, I said that there were dishes that they came out with the dog bowl, but couldn't get those. This was $12. It is the stoneware appetizer plates. And this
excuse me,
is what they look like. Cute. Cute. What do you think? I haven't shown him all the stuff in here. He saw like a few things.
I opened that and I was like,
they're cute. These are cute. These are cute. Okay, let us know in the comment section if these are cute or not, and if we should keep them, please.
This is giving me JT and Brittany 2006.
Okay, so it's giving you iconic. It's giving you iconic.
This is a video that you would expect from Trisha Paytas.
It is giving you iconic. And then to go with my glass tumbler. And you know what? I even came up with a story. This was $8 as well. I was like, you know what? We're moving. We're getting a house soon. I was like, we're going to get some sickening outside furniture.
Sickening outside furniture.
And I was like, I'm going to serve us some lemonade. Or maybe just some water. I don't know what I'm going to put in this, but I'm going to be serving all the drinks.
That is like when you go to a bougie restaurant,
Yes!
they bring out the water, they're like...
Yes! And that's going to be us on our patio with my carafe of Levi. Someone breaks in, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the Levi's upside your head.
How much was this?
$8 as well.
I like how they even made like the tags, like part...
I think it's cool.
It matches the theme.
I think it's cool. So $8 as well, not bad. And again, fake glass. Wish it was a little bit bigger, but whatever.
It's cute.
This is one of the items that is too big to fully show. I'll have to just insert like a clip somewhere on the screen, but this is the dog bed, which has the Sherpa, as you can see.
That's going to get filthy, girl.
It's going to get filthy, but I figure that this could just be the one where they don't sleep like at night, but just like
that'll be the show bed.
The show bed, just for people to come over and be like, oh, your dogs have a Levi's bed. So that is that. I don't know how much that was. I don't have the receipt in front of me, but I got that because it matches what is next to Dustin, which I'm going to insert a clip right here because it is a big beanbag chair that is made of Levi's jeans and has the Sherpa as well. It is comfortable. I was playing games in that. It is really good. And I got the matching ottoman. Because who wouldn't want this ottoman? It's cute. I for sure am keeping the ottoman. And the beanbag chair. The beanbag chair will stay and will be at the house. This, Dustin told me, looks like an old rug that you would have found in someone's kitchen back like in the 80s and in the 90s.
It does.
And this was the price on here. This was $25, and I think it's adorable for a kitchen. And blue is your favorite color. It's cute. And you know what? We put it on the floor in the kitchen too, and I was like, oh my God, it is so nice. So, and it's good quality. You can say it's good quality.
Listen, girl.
You could say it's good quality.
I'm going to tell them what I told you.
Trailer rug.
No. Growing up, my parents, if you didn't have good heat in your house, you would roll up a rug or a towel and put it in front of the door.
We did towels.
This looks almost identical to the type of rug that my parents would have rolled up and put in front of our door.
We used a towel in Central Florida. That's the towels because the doors
whatever
here.
works. I'm just saying that's what is given.
Well, I know, but it's cute.
If you say so.
Okay, well, it's cute. Now, okay,
that's cute.
This is the thing that I do not think is cute, and I thought that it actually was online because I didn't see the back of it. My nose is itching for that rug. So it's a very Levi's theme, and when I originally ordered it, I was like, oh, it can sit in the beanbag chair because the beanbag chair is cute, but then you turn it around and it's like,
I like the red.
I wish it wasn't as bright of a red, and it was more of like a distressed.
That's their signature red.
I know, but I just feel like for the pillow, if it would have just been like a little distressed looking, I think it would have been cooler. They had a lot of other pillows too, but
I really like
out.
this.
Okay, so we'll keep the pillow. It likes that, but he doesn't like the rug. Interesting.
Yeah, I don't like the rug.
Next, I really like this.
I do like that.
This is the quilt. I'm not going to open it up fully for you guys, but you can see it has like the stitching, and then it goes to darker and there, and then parts of it.
So
have
this
the
is probably reversible.
Yes, it is.
It feels nice too.
It's a king, so
it's really thick material. It's like really quality.
It's 100% cotton, and the filling is also 100% cotton, and this was $90 for the quilt. That's not bad for a quilt because this is a heavy quilt. This is like one of those quilts that grandma would be like, oh, I made a new quilt.
No, I mean, it is good quality, but
it is. It's worth. A girl, $90 for a quilt is not that bad. Considering those blankets, those big, like, thin blankets, the ones that have that, like, weird material that feel really weird, those are like $50. Get yourself a nice quilt.
I like this.
I also got us some kitchen towels. The blue.
Towels.
And then just the stripe. You got the 2 towels for $10.
Oh, these are definitely hand towels because that's not going to do anything else.
These are hand towels, so nice. And then we stuck with the dogs some more. I got them both matching collars for their little Brittany and Justin moment. I got them this toy.
That's cute.
Right there. I don't know why you put the Sherpa though on a dog toy. That's going to get messed up. This was $5.
That's not
bad. $5. And these were $6.
That's not awful.
And then I got them both a little bandana for photo purposes to put around their neck.
Oh.
So that'll be cute.
This is going to swallow them.
Yeah, it says one size for all, but I was like, when I saw it, I was like, damn. So these were $5 each as well. We got them in the blue, we got them in the red. And then the last thing is this, the dog leash that goes with the collars.
That is so gaudy and cute.
It's cute.
This is definitely giving me like early 2000s.
Now we just need to teach Birkin how to walk on a leash. So, and this was $12.
Okay.
So all in all, I think I spent like around like $500.
Okay. Question.
What?
I want to know what that's for.
So you can put your poop bag. You put the little clip right there so you can walk your dog. Or you could put like a little, you know, some people bring the things to wash their dog's feet.
Oh,
or like a little water bowl. Something like that.
I mean,
but yeah, I'm excited.
I'm
excited about majority of the purchases. There are a few things that I'm kind of like, yeah, we don't need these. We can take these back.
Look,
but
it even has a little Levi's tag.
I don't know. Let us know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you guys picked up anything from the Levi's collection, because I talked about it on Twitter, and a lot of people said they were excited about it.
The only thing I'm not a fan of is the rug.
I see. The only thing I'm really not a fan of is what? Do I have hair all over me?
You are covered.
Well, the only thing I'm really not a fan of is the pillow. Where's the pillow behind me?
I love the pillow.
I like the pillow. I wonder if we could just try to pick up my beanbag chair. Let's show them part of it. Here's what.
This is a big boy.
This was amazing. Move the microphone. So, not into the candle, girl. Okay, so this is as big as the beanbag chair. As you can see, it has the red Levi logo.
It's denim.
But it's basically, it's like that.
Now, isn't this like reclaimed denim?
Wait, let's turn it around.
Isn't this like reclaimed stuff?
Yeah, it's all made of reclaimed stuff. And here's the back. You can see it's just all the blue. But yes, that is it for our Levi's haul. Here's where like, this is ridiculous.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed the video.
We have a lot of stuff coming because we're moving across the country.
A lot. I'm not going to go into detail here.
Well, no, we're not going to go into detail about it, but like, there's going to be really fun stuff.
There's going to be really fun stuff. There will be like cross-country vlogging, I'm sure.
If there's any pit stops that we should make, because
let us know.
We're going a long way out west. Let us know.
Yep.
We love good food. So
I love good food. I can't wait to stop in New Orleans.
Yes, girl.
I love New Orleans. But that's it. That's our haul. That's everything. Love you guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.